Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into this live streaming app to help you check if it is the best live streaming app for you to use in 2025. And also we're going to explore the key features, the pros and cons, and the pricing plan for this platform to help you make an informed decision about this platform. So to get started, so StreamYard is like a TV studio inside your computer. You can use it to go live on platforms like YouTube or Facebook, or without a fancy equipment. You can even chat with your viewers while you are live, and also think of it as a super easy way to create a professional look live streaming for recording videos and even a video podcast. You can invite guests, share your screen, and even play video files or from within the StreamYard studio. You can also have a YouTube channel if StreamYard is a great tool to help you create a engaging content and connect with your audience within this platform called StreamYard. So talking about the key features about this platform, StreamYard isn't just another live streaming tool. It's packed with unique features that make it stand out from the crowd. Whether you are a seasoned broadcaster or just starting, these features will help you create a professional looking live stream and engage with your audience like never before. So let's dive in and explore some of the best features that makes StreamYard a top choice for content creator. So one of these best choices is the branding, which make it your own fully brand live stream and recording. So also come with a multi-stream, which help you reach a wider audience with these tools, and also come with a recording which help you capture the moment using this live stream yard. Also come with an engagement which help you connect with your viewers and never have a boring stream again with these features. Also come with a broadcasting. So the podcasting made it easy, the easiest way to record podcast, which is through these features. So altogether, these features make this a powerful platform, make this platform stand out from other competitors. So that's it. Now talking about the pricing plan, it comes with a free plan, a basic plan, and a professional plan. So if you want more information, you can just go back to the website using the video in the link, in the video to access the features and the price tag for this plan. Now talking about the pros and cons, it comes with a easy learning curve and the multiple platform streaming, which is super awesome. And also the guest invitation works on your browser and branding option. Now talking about the downside, which is the basic editor tools and the free planning limitations. It also comes with an occasional glitch and no mobile app. So it doesn't exist on mobile app. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website. Thanks.